Gentlemen, mga chong, or I would like to tell you that you are not the source of your wife's or your partner's unhappiness. And there's nothing you can do or stop doing that will make her happy. Hindi ikaw yun. Kahit magpa-counseling pa kayo, hindi yun dahil hindi mo siya nilalambing or dahil hindi mo siya binibigyan ng oras. Ulitin ko, none of those things will make your wife or your partner happy. Ang dahilan niyan ito. She is unhappy with herself and she is the only solution to her unhappiness. At pag may ginawa kang mga bagay na sa tingin mo ay magpapasaya sa kanya, she will resent it and find fault in it. Chong, kagaya ng magpapasaya sa'yo ay ikaw lamang. Walang ibang magpapasaya sa kanya kung hindi ang sarili niya. We all know that happiness starts from within.